Picture this. So you walk into a Michelin star kitchen and just ask for soup. You're gonna get kicked out. But that's exactly what new fashion founders do. They email a factory saying, I want a canvas sneaker. A tech pack is not a sketch, it's a manufacturing recipe. Today, I'm showing you a real tech pack from a mass retailer so that you see the ingredients they list to make sure they don't lose money. Now, I can't show you the actual shoe this spreadsheet belongs to because client confidentiality is rule number one in my business. But the physics are the same. Let's look at this generic canvas shoe and see how the spreadsheet controls it. Now, the spreadsheet calls for a 12-ounce canvas. Why? If you just write canvas, the factory buys probably the cheapest roll they have, or maybe around 8 ounce. It looks fine in a photo, but in real life, it feels like a flimsy t shirt. Now, specifying 12 ounce forces them to buy the heavy duty stuff. Never write the word black. My black t-shirt and this mouse are different shades. This retailer uses Pantone 193911 TCX. That is a specific chemical mix. If the shoe arrives and looks charcoal, you can scan it, prove they missed the code, and demand a refund. Data is your insurance. Now this line here, PU molded, is the difference between a $10 shoe and a $50 shoe. Most beginners forget to specify the density of the foam. This client didn't. They locked it in. Finally, look at this row. Silica gel. It seems boring, right? But if your shoes are shipping from Vietnam to Los Angeles, they'll sit in a humid container for 4 weeks. Without that 2-cent packet of gel, your inventory arrives smelly. Tech Pack saves your shipment. So here's the bottom line. A tech pack isn't just a design file. It's a binding legal contract. If you write canvas, the factory is legally allowed to give you the cheapest stuff they have. But if you write 12-ounce cotton canvas, you force them to meet your standard. It takes time to build these correctly, but it saves you thousands of dollars in failed samples and bad production runs. If you're a startup or a founder and you want to skip the expensive mistake phase, this is exactly what we do here. We act as your technical bridge to the factory, ensuring your vision actually gets manufactured. I've left a link below to our website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.